How to fix Messenger. These messages were sent before end-to-end encryption. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial and fix this issue. First things first, go ahead and open App Store and then tap on the search bar there and go ahead and search for Messenger and make sure that the Messenger application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then open Messenger on your device and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your profile. Here you will see the option for settings. So tap on the settings option you see there and then tap on the privacy and safety option. Here you will see the option for end-to-end encrypted chats. So tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats option you see there and then go ahead and set up your PIN and also set up your recovery code, as without secure storage enabled, encryption sync problems may appear. You can then simply go ahead and try to log yourself out of Messenger and then log back in, as encrypted messages may take time to restore on new devices. Also, in the same end-to-end encrypted settings itself, go ahead and review connected devices and remove unknown or old devices if necessary. Additionally, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to Messenger and go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the Messenger application again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if your issue is not fixed, then you can simply try to wait for the encryption migration to finish, as sometimes older messages temporarily disappear and sync warnings might appear. Also, if you are connected to any type of VPN services, then go ahead and disable the VPN, as VPNs and network filtering can interfere with key encryption syncing. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Messenger application and then go ahead and delete the Messenger application from your device and then reinstall the app again, as doing this will give your app a fresh restart. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Messenger. These messages were sent before end-to-end encryption. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.